when the club decided to do the expansion of the tennis facility, coupled with having a full membership in all categories, we did find some exposure last year with parking. And in today's world, there's a lot more personal golf carts that are being used, and so the concentration of traffic in the parking lot was so great that members were forced to park in the grass. So this led to the evaluation of where can we create parking spots in the 3 parking lots across the street. And you can see in various areas where the expansion is underway to create additional parking. Our ultimate goal with the parking lot project is to create anywhere from 50 to 60 additional parking stalls for cars. We have a contractor that'll come in and they'll do the rock base, they'll do the asphalt overlay on the entire facility over here, and then they will stripe it for new parking stalls. It'll be striped in a different configuration since we've added more space.